Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving a problem called insert a node at the tail of the linked list. So let's discuss the problem first. Let's say we are given a linked list. So let's say this is the linked list. For example, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have none. And our head points here. Our head is here as of now. Let's say the data we want to insert is 10. So we are here. Since it's not an end node, we'll call it next. Again we'll check whether it's an AND node. No. Again we'll call it next. Then again we will check whether it's an AND node. Yeah, it's an AND node because the reference is none. So we'll create a new node here with the data 10, which have next has none, and we'll start pointing this to this one. So this is the work that we need to do. So we can see here, right? When our head is here, we can check if our head is head dot next is none. What do we need to do? We need to append a new list. That is append a new linked list. That is head dot next equals to new node. Now we can say there will be a edge case here. Like what if our root is none? What if its root our root is none? What we need to do then? We need to create a new node and we need to return the reference of this new node. So that's all. Correct? That's all. So let's write a pseudocode for this. If root is null, if our root is null, then new node will create. We'll create a new node and will return a new node. Will return new node. Now, elif our head dot next is none. Head dot next is none. Then what I need to do? Head dot next is equals to new node. Correct? Else what you need to do? Again a call with head dot next and data, and what you need to do? Return head. So let's write the code for this in the compiler. So okay. So we are given a head and the data that you want to insert. First, what you need to check? If our head is none, then what we need to return? We need to return singly linked list node of data. Correct? If our head is none, then return singly linked list node of data. Else, what we need to do? Head dot next equals to the same. That is, new node will create of data. Sorry, we need to write here elif, right? Head dot next is none. Else, what we need to do? Again a function call. Insert node at tail will do. Head dot next will do, and data. Return what I will do. Okay, let's run the code. So our sample test case is passing. Let's submit the code. Yeah, all the test case is passing. Let's try run once again. So let's say we are given a linked list like this, and we want to insert 10, right? So we come here, correct? We are coming here first. If our head is null, our head is null, no. Then what do you need to do? This condition is checked. Again, this is not true. Then it will call for this one. And again, this condition is checked. No. Again, this will call for this one. Now, if head is none, no. Head dot next is done. Yeah, head dot next is none. So what it will do? It will create a new node here with the value 10 and head dot next. Its next will start pointing to this one. Correct? Now what it will return? It will return the head back. Later it will return this value back. Again similarly, this function will return head, and at the end when everything is over, this will return the head, that is this value itself. So I hope you understood everything. Thank you.